everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 4th of June 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now according to a recent research, India's digital payment are predicted to reach what amount of funds? So the correct answer of this question is option A. According to a recent report, digital payment in India will reach USD 10 trillion in value by 2026 compared to USD 3 trillion now. So over the past few years, the digital payment ecosystem has gained from the entry of multiple new players with diverse offering deriving digital payment adoption at scale. So basically, the United Payment Interface saw about 9x transaction volume increase in the past 3 years, increasing from 5 billion transactions in financial year 2019 to about 46 billion transactions in financial year 2022. So according to a report, India is set to become a digital payment economy with 65% of transactions being done digitally by 2026. Okay, so now next question. Which bank has formed a strategic partnership with NBFC Northern Arc Capital? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Indian Bank. So recently the Northern Arc Capital Limited, a non-banking finance company also known as NBFC that serves the credit need of the unreserved household and business, has formed a strategic alliance with Indian Bank. Okay, so now next question. Withdrawals from Shankara Pujari Nutan Nagri Sahakari Bank are prohibited by which financial institution? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is RBI. So recently the RBI, that is also known as Reserve Bank of India, imposed restriction on Sahakara Pujari Nutan Nagri Sahakari Bank Limited, including ban on withdrawals in consideration of its liquidity position. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which bank has collaborated with London-based Santander UK PLC in a deal aimed at making banking easy for enterprise in both countries? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is ICICI Bank. So recently the ICICI Bank has joined hands with London-based Santander UK PLC in a pact aimed at facilitating the banking requirement of a corporate operating across both the countries. Okay, so now next question. Bank's credit to NBFC was increased to how many crores in financial year 2022 according to the report? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 99,000 crores. So as per recent report, bank credit to NBFC grew double digital in financial year 2022 as it was increased by 10.4% compared to the earlier. So according to an analysis by Care Rating, bank credits to non-banking financial company expanded by rupees 99,000 crore in financial year 2022 from financial year 2021. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to the recent Securities and Exchange Board circular, how far will existing investor be able to exist without paying an exit load? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 30 days. So recently, SEBI streamlined the process of providing its approval to the proposed change in control of the portfolio manager. So according to the new circular, it has specified that portfolio manager who are involved in the scheme of arrangement must need the sanction of the National Company Law Tribunal. An online application needs to be made the market regulator for prior approval through the SEBI intermediary portal. So basically the prior approval granted by the regulator will be valid for a period of 6 months. Apart from that, he also need to inform its existing investor about the proposed change prior to the effecting the same. So the option to exist without any access load within the period of at least 30 calendar days from the date of such communication. Okay, so now next question. According to the recent analysis by SBI Research, how much percentage of the Indian GDP is expected to be raised in 2022 to 2023? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 7.5%. So according to the SBI Research, it has projected the Indian economy to grow by 7.5% in 2022 to 2023. So the economy grew by 8.7% in financial year 2022, net adding rupees 11.8 crore in the year of rupees 147 lakh crore. So the report has shown positive result on the corporate revenue and profit, the growing bank credit, etc. So basically the listed companies reported 29% top line growth and 52% jump in net profit. Okay. So now next question. The purchasing managers index in India increased by how much in May compared to April according to the recent data. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 58.9. So recently S&P Global India Service Purchasing Manager Index rose to 58.9 in May from 57.9 in April, its highest since April 2011. So the reporting of Indian economy continued to help lift growth in service sector. So as economic activity continued to normalize with the lifting of pandemic restriction. So it separate growth from contradiction from the 10th consecutive month. So basically the main factor behind it was a strong service and manufacturing activity boosted the composite index to such a higher level. Okay, so now next question. Which bank has collaborated with Acture to improve operational agility and efficiency while also accelerating company growth? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is HDFC Bank. So recently the HDFC Bank ties up with the Acture for digital transformation. So basically it revamped HDFC customer experience and business process to provide greater operational agility and efficiency and derive business growth. Okay, so now move to the next question. Recently, which bank has collaborated with Car Trade Tech to provide used car financing? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is IDFC First Bank. So, recently the Car Trade Tech partners with IDFC First Bank to offer financing solution for used cars. Okay.